Hi, I'm Jennifer. Welcome to the weekly Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, and me, Jennifer at Home. Today, I'm going to be making a super easy, super delicious, high protein peanut butter banana bread. One of my friends sent me this recipe and I can't wait to give it a try. Let's see how it turns out when we put it together. Today we're going to be making a unique recipe. This is going to be a high protein banana bread, and I'm going to take 3 bananas and put them into my bowl. This recipe was sent to me by one of my good YouTube friends, Mary from Praying with John and Mary. She sent this recipe the other day and I thought it looked so good, and I had the ingredients on hand already, so I decided why not give this a try. I know my husband will really like this, and I'm sure that I will too. I love bananas. I've always really liked them. So we're going to use 3 average sized bananas, and we're just going to put them in this bowl. And then we're going to get the hand mixer and mix them up. In the recipe that she sent, they just used a fork and mashed them, but I think I can mix them really quick with my hand mixer. Now I'm going to add in 2 eggs. Make sure you use ripe bananas. You don't want to use hard bananas because then it's not going to be very good, and sometimes the hard bananas have sort of a bitter taste to them, and you don't want to have that type of a taste in your banana bread, of course. The recipe from Mary doesn't call for vanilla or baking powder, but I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. This is going to make it a little bit extra tasty and delicious. Then I'm also going to add in a teaspoon of baking powder. I think this will really help the recipe and make it extra fluffy and extra good. We'll give this a real quick mix, and now we're just going to add in our 1 cup of peanut butter. This is creamy peanut butter, and you can use any brand. We'll just give this a quick mix. It smells great. I have a 9x9 baking dish here, and I'm just going to take a piece of parchment paper and lay right in the dish. I went ahead and put some spray in the dish to keep this parchment paper in place. And now we'll just pour our batter right into our baking dish. Just spread it out nice and evenly. And now we have 1 step left to go. I have some mini little chocolate chips here, and I'm just going to take these and sprinkle them right over the top. We are going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees. After about 30 to 35 minutes, our bread came out of the oven. I checked it with a toothpick, and the toothpick came out clean. A true indicator that our bread is done. It looks beautiful, and it smells just wonderful. I'm going to let this delightful bread cool in the dish, and once it's cooled a little bit, then we'll take it out and try it. So this is the way our wonderful banana bread turned out. It looks absolutely delicious. The texture looks great. It smells so good, and I can't wait to try it. I am so happy with the way this high-protein banana bread turned out. I know I'm going to be making it much more often. I hope you give it a try. The recipe will be listed below. And don't forget to check out Anna and Jean's channels. They'll have really great recipes that are quick and easy out this evening as well. I'm really glad you're here. I appreciate it so much, and I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next week.